not know the reason of my sadness. I am really troubled by it, and what the fool sadness has made me.
Here comes your friend Bassanio. Goodbye. We leave you now with better company.
Hello, Antonio.
Hello, Bessenio. Tell me now about the lady you promised to tell about whom I gave a visit recently.
In Belmont live a rich lady who's not only beautiful but also full of good qualities. Men attracted by her beauty and fame are collecting at Belmont to woo her if only I had enough money to be there as one of the participants. I'm sure I would win her heart and her hand, and those should be fortunate.
You know, all my ships are at sea, and I don't have money nor commodity to raise the required for amount for a purpose. But you find out who has that much of money to furnish you. Go to Belmont to beautiful Portia. I will borrow the money for you in my name.
Good afternoon, Shylock.
Good afternoon, Bassanio.
Shylock, please give me 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Well, you will give it.
3,000 ducats. Well, and for 3 months. Well,
And Antonio will guarantee.
Antonio. Antonio is a good man.
Have you heard anything against him?
No, no. I know he has many ships gone for trade to different countries. But you know, dangers of the sea. Nothing is sure. Anyway, I think I may take his bond.
Shylock, although I neither lend nor borrow me, but to fulfill the immediate need of my friend, I will break the custom. It will be very kind of you to lend that money for 3 months.
This kindness I will show if you go with me to a notary and sign a bond that if you are unable to pay back 3,000 ducats at the end of 3 months, I should be free to cut a pound of flesh from any part of your body.
Agreed. In truth, I will sign such a bond and say that the Jew is kind.
You shall not sign such a bond. I will rather live in my necessity.
Come on, there cannot be any foul play, as my ship should be backward in time.
Desire. Who choose me shall get what many men desire. Nice lines, but I am not impressed. So the second casket is made of silver. Who choose me shall get as much as he desire. Who choose me shall get as much as he desire. And the third casket is made of lead. Who choose me must give and risk all he has. Who choose me must give and risk all he has. I'm impressed by the lead casket as it threatened more than it promised. So I choose.
I see continue, unable to pay back debt in time. So as a result, you should give me freedom to cut a pound of flesh from the nearest part of his heart.
Your Honor, I have a young lawyer called Velsa. He knows about the dispute between Antonio and Razio. He will defend merchant Antonio with your kind permission.
Permission granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Who is the merchant and if you get will take away the life of a man, and according to the law of Venice, we cannot stop you from it. So kindly submit and tear the agreement with your own hands.
What mercy! I want the penalty as mandated, nothing else. In the agreement, see the agreement.
Okay, Duke, you are free to take your pound of flesh. Sharpen your knife, and you have must cut this flesh from his chest. The law allows it and the court award it.
On behalf, I'm ready to pay 3 times amount in cash. Shylock, please spare his life.
This cannot be done as it will go against the law of Venice.
Oh, good lawyer, you are great. Nothing else can. I honor you.
Okay, Duke, you are free to take your pound of flesh, sharpen your knife, and you have must cut this flesh from his chest.
Most learned lawyer, Antonio, be prepared.
Wait a little, there is something else. This agreement does not give you a single drop of blood. The words are exclusively a pound of flesh, so you should not sell a single drop of blood.
Give me my principal. Let me go.
I had ready for you. Here it is.
This cannot be done as it will go against the law of Venice.
Thank you, lawyer, for saving my life of this humble merchant to Venice.